Hey everyone! Today we are going to show you how to access xCloud site files using remote SFTP clients like FileZilla. Let's get started. First, log in to your xCloud dashboard. Head over to the sites and select your preferred site. Now, navigate to the Access Data and click on the SSH SFTP option from the side navigation bar. You can use the public key option to add your own SSH key. Here, we are using the password option. Set a password for SSH authentication here and click on the Save button. Go to your FileZilla account. Here you have to input values to access the xCloud site files. Now, go back to the xCloud dashboard and copy the host, username and password. Paste the copied values one by one into the FileZilla dashboard and set the port 22. Then click on the Quick Connect button. Copy the site path from xCloud dashboard and paste it into the remote site section of the FileZilla dashboard. At this time, if you go to the WP content folder, you will be able to access xCloud site files like plugins, themes, etc. That's how easy to access xCloud files using FileZilla. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.